A true wash-free airbrush, just how convenient can it be? After 3 years of R&D, hundreds of prototypes, and over a year of stability testing, DSPIAE is here to give you the best answer. Tedious process of cleaning airbrushes and the intricate internal structure of conventional models have long tested the patience and energy of hobbyists. A single mistake can ruin an expensive airbrush. So we abandoned the traditional dual-action design of airbrushes and retained only the air channel and valve, making brush cleaning a thing of the past. This also made the entire airbrush compact and lightweight. When paired with a handheld air pump, it feels more like an electronic spray can. However, we still added a detachable extension rod at the rear to simulate the grip of a traditional airbrush, helping seasoned users get accustomed quicker. In terms of materials, although paint doesn't directly contact the brush body, we still used corrosion-resistant PP material to ensure durability. Since the traditional paint cup was removed, we needed a new way to deliver paint. We adopted a bottom-fed paint bottle design. Compressed air is released from a 0.5 milliliter nozzle, and when it passes the spray needle, it creates a pressure difference inside the bottle. According to the Bernoulli principle, paint is drawn through the soft tube and atomized for spraying. However, similar products on the market suffer from paint buildup, clogging, and spray granulation due to the 90 angle between the nozzle and bottle opening. The DSPIAE wash-free airbrush solves this. The connector between the bottle and airbrush is angled at 85, and this seemingly minor 5 adjustment significantly improves the spraying experience, surpassing other products on the market. But redesigning the airbrush wasn't enough to pursue an even better experience. We turned our attention to the paint bottle. While many brands simply repurpose existing bottles to match with their airbrushes, that approach doesn't meet our standards for this system. Traditional paint bottles experience a drop in internal pressure during spraying, which eventually stops the flow of paint. Users must pause and wait for the pressure to recover before continuing. To solve this, we developed a brand new paint bottle design and commissioned high-precision molds and injection molding. We call it the constant pressure wash-free module, consisting of 7 parts: the bottle cap, spray needle, upper screw cap, lower screw cap, sealing rings, soft tube, and bottle body. This module features air inlets on both screw caps. When compressed air flows through, a vacuum zone forms at the top of the upper cap, forcing air into the paint bottle to stabilize the internal pressure and enable continuous spraying. The spray needle also creates negative pressure, accelerating the paint's flow through the tube, resulting in smoother and more consistent output. Users can also replace the spray needle to change the spray range. Considering potential deformation of the spray needle during use or storage, we added a positioning tab at the front of the airbrush for fine-tuning. Additionally, we know how popular marker-based products are among hobbyists. Many marker users are eager to try airbrushing, and now is the perfect time. We've included a connector for markers. Just insert your marker to instantly enjoy the joy of spraying. This may not be the one-and-done professional airbrush. At just 68 yuan, we hope it can be your guide into the world of airbrushing. DSPIAE wants this wash-free airbrush to make airbrushing more accessible, more enjoyable, and truly hassle-free, lowering the barrier to creativity and letting your imagination run free. Therefore, apart from the wash-free airbrush, the water-based premixed paint that is easy for everyone to use will also be available for purchase. There is no need for complicated color mixing. Just attach the wash-free airbrush and you can use it directly. Even for beginners who are just starting out, they can quickly achieve the color schemes in their minds. DSPIAE will enable everyone who picks up the airbrush to experience the joy of color flow and the sense of achievement from creation in a relaxed operation.